evaluate functions from their graphs. Okay, so what they do is they give us f of 2. So you have f of 2, and you want to figure out what does that mean. So f of 2, what would that be equal to? Well, the f of 2, the inside number here is your x. So this would be your x. So there's a formula that we use, and the formula is called f of x is equal to y. So this is your true x, this is your true y. Notice that they give us the x and we have to find the y. So we go across, we look at 2 on the x-axis. So here's 2 on the x-axis. And what we do is we go down. We just look at the y here. Remember, the y's are right here. So your y's go up or down. So we're at the 2, we look down and we see that the number that matches with that would be a negative 2. Okay, next question, we have h of 1, and we want to figure out what that's equal to. So you have h of 1, and we want to figure out what that is. Now remember, what we work from is what's known as f of x is equal to y. So this is your x, and this is your y. So on the x, we find 1, which is right here. This is I1, and then I look down and I see it's right there's a point right below it, and the point matches up to be negative 2. Okay, next question, you have h of 6. So h of 6, and again we want to figure out what that's equal to. Remember, f of x is equal to y. So this is my x and this is my y. So we want to find 6 on the x-axis. So here's 6 right there on the x-axis. Now what I want to do is I want to travel up, and I'm touching it right there. Then I want to look across and I see that it matches with the 8 because we want to use the y-axis. So again, I start at 6 on the x-axis, then I look up and I see that it goes up to 8. So the range up on top, the y on top, is the 8. Okay, next question, we got f of 2. So you have f of 2, and you want to figure out what that's equal to. What we do is we're going to use f of x, and f of x is equal to y. So this is your x and this is your y. So our x is 2, so there's my 2 right there. So there's the 2 right there. So now what I want to do is I want to look here, and when I take this across, that's at a negative 5. So again, I look at the 2, I see the dot is actually below it, and it's a level at negative 5 on the y-axis.